number 3, which is the 2024 which was the recent past paper question. Okay. Ramani, who deposits 6,000 rupees in a bank for 2 years at an annual interest rate of 5% compound annually. Okay. How much is the principal amount? The principal amount is 6,000. Right. I have read the question number 2021. Sorry, yeah. Ramani deposited a certain amount of money for 2 years. They have deposited a certain amount. We don't know that. Principal amount is a question mark. We don't know. Okay. For 2 years. The time period is 2 years. Hurry. The time period is 2 years. N equal to at an annual interest rate of 5% compound rate. So the interest rate is 5%. Okay. Annually receives 300 rupees as interest for the first year. For the first year interest. First year interest is how much, students? They have given us 300. Okay. Now, how much interest does he receive for the, sorry. So I have question number 2 agreed, sorry, yeah. So the principal amount is not given 2 years in a finance company that pays an annual interest rate of 10%. The rate is 10%. Okay. With the interest compounded annually. The interest rate that she received for the second year only. Second year only. Second year only. Second year only is 660 rupees. 660 rupees. Right. And the total amount she received at the end of 2 years. Total amount received end of 2 years, right? End of 2 years. Total amount can be the interest as well as the total amount invested for the second year is after 2 years, they are receiving 7,260. 7,260, right? Find the amount she deposited. Principal amount, right? They have given the total amount received end of 2 years, which is 7,260. To do this question, you have 2 methods. Okay, you have 2 methods. Say equation method then make a normal right? You choose what is beneficial for you. Okay, right. Now, they have given the second year interest only, which is 660, right? This is 660. They have given the total amount received end of 2 years is 7,260, right? So they are asking the principal amount. Okay. Now, for that, what I'm going to do here is, you know the equation, right? Total amount received is equal to P into 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power n. Total amount received, okay? Total amount received. What is the total amount received? It is 7,260, which is equal to the principal amount. Do you know the principal amount? No. But you know the rate. The rate is 10. 10 divided by 100. What is the number of years that you have invested, that girl had invested? It's 2. Right? So the power is 2. So you can see here 1 0 and 1 0 cancel. 1 0 and 1 0 cancel. 7,260 is equal to P into, you have to equal the two denominators. It's 11 divided by 10. Right? 11 divided by 10. 1 plus 1 over 100. Sorry, 1 over 10. So what you're going to do? Equal the two denominators. 10 plus 1 divided by 10. That's how 11 divided by 10 came. So next one, 7,260 is equal to P into 11 times 11. 11 times 11 is 121. Divide by 100. Divide by 100. Now what you're going to do? You're going to bring this 100 to this side. Okay? Bring this 100 to this side. Through cross multiplication. Through cross multiplication. So 121P is equal to 7260 zeros another 2 zeros, right? Divide by 121. Divide by 120. 121 and 121 cancel. So the principal amount is, if you divide this by this, you'll get the answer. Let's divide and see. 726 divide kala බලමු නිකන් 121 වලින් හරියට උත්තරේ එනවාද කියලා, right? Right. Now let's just multiply 121 by 6. ඇයි සර් මේ 6 වලින් මම multiply කරන්නේ? මේ last number එක පේනවා නේද පුතා? That is 6. Since the last number is 6, I'm just multiplying and seeing whether you'll get the answer or not. That's a short method that you can understand what multiply by what will get 726. So 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 1 6. 6 plus 1 7. මේ බලන්නකෝ පුතා. හරියටම උත්තරය ආවා. Right. So 121 times 1 is 121. 121 times 6 is 121 times 6 is 726. So the final answer of the principal amount is 6,000. මේක ගොඩාක්ම easy method එකක් පුතා for that, but you have to remember this equation. මේ equation එක මතක තියාගත්ත කියන්නේ එයාට මේක ටක් ගාලා කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right.